morning all students. In today's video clip, we are studying about chapter 2 nutrition in animals part 2. Yesterday we were studied about the nutrition in animals and the main step of nutrition in humans like injection, absorption, assimilation, ingestion, etc. So yesterday we only discussed about ingestion and ingestion and digestion. So today it is the continuation of all these type of processes. First one, absorption. The digested food is passed into the blood vessels in the wall of intestine. This process is called absorption. The digested food is passed into the blood vessels in the wall of intestine. This process is called absorption. Next, it is according to this portion, that is villi. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like structures. And they are called villi. This increases the surface area of absorption of digested food. So this is the function of villi. It increases the surface area for absorption of digested food. What is villi or what are villi? The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like structure called villi. So this is the function of villi, that it increases the surface area for absorption of digested food. Next one, assimilation. The absorbed substances are transported via blood. Via means through blood vessels to different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as the protein required by the body. This is called assimilation. The absorbed substances are transported through blood vessels to different organs of the body, and where they are used to build complex substances such as the proteins required by the body. This process is called assimilation. Next one, ingestion. The fecal matter means the waste from our body. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called ingestion. This is the last process of the nutrition. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This process is called ingestion. Okay, next we are going to discuss about the exercise of this chapter. First question answer is filling the blanks. First one is filling the blanks. A question. The main steps of nutrition in humans are dash. The main steps of nutrition in humans are dash. These are the answers. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ingestion. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ingestion. B. The largest gland in the human body. So yesterday we were studied about this portion. The largest gland in the human body is liver. The largest gland in the human body is liver. C. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices to act on food. So digestive juices are the answer. Next one, D. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths are called dash. So we are also studying now the finger-like outgrowths in the inner wall of the small intestine are called villi. So villi is the answer for that question. Next, E1. The amoeba digests its food in the dash. Amoeba digests its food in food vacuole. So food vacuole is the answer. Second question answer is true or false. First one, digestion of starch starts in the stomach. So that is a false statement. So that is false. Next D. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. That is a true statement. So that is true. Next one C. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. That is also a true statement. Yesterday we were studied true statement. So we written here T. Last one. The ruminants bring back swallowed food into their mouth and chew it for some time. That is also a true statement. So I written here T. Next, third one. Tick or mark the correct answer in each of the following. That is the third one. Tick the correct answer. A. Fat is completely digested in. Options are there. A. Stomach. B. Mouth. Third one, small intestine, and fourth one, large intestine. Fat is completely digested in first one option stomach, second option mouth, third option small intestine, and fourth option is large intestine. So the answer is third one, small intestine. Fat is completely digested in the small intestine. Next one B. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the dash. Options are there. First one, stomach. Second one, food pipe. Third one, small intestine. And fourth one, large intestine. So, large intestine is the answer. Water from the undigested food is absorbed through large intestine. Next one is a match the column. So, this is the fourth question. So, in column 1, food components are given, and in column 2 products of digestion is given. So we want to arrange these or match these columns together. First one, carbohydrate. So here given some options. First one, fatty acids and glycerol. Second one, sugar, and third one, amino acids. So carbohydrate, production of digestion of carbohydrate is sugar. So the product of digestion of carbohydrate is sugar. Second one, protein. So what is the answer for proteins? The product of digestion of protein is amino acid. The product of digestion of protein is amino acid. Next, only one remaining, that is fat. The product of digestion of fat is fatty acids and glycerol. Next, fifth one is a question answer. Question: what are millet and where is their location and function? So in a question containing 3 questions, what are millet, where is their location, and what is their function? This is the answer for that question. The finger-like projections in the inner wall of the small intestine. These are found in small intestine, and the villi increases the surface area for absorption and of the digested food. So this is the answer for the first part, what are villi, and this is where it is located, and this is the function of villi. The finger-like projections in the inner wall of the small intestine are called villi, and where it is found, these are found in small intestine, and this is the function. The villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Next, question number 6. Where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? So this one is the answer. Bile is produced in the liver. Yesterday we were studied. Bile is produced in the liver, and the bile juice is stored in a sac called the gallbladder. It helps in the digestion of fat. It helps in the digestion of fat, and it is stored in a sac called the gallbladder, and bile is produced in liver. Next one, 7th question. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Ruminants means like cow, buffalo, etc. These type of animals are called ruminants. So what question? Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason. Answer. Cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by the ruminants but not by human. Cellulose is the answer. Cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by the ruminants but not by human. Because human lack of cellulose enzyme required to digest the cellulose. Because human lack cellulose enzyme required to digest the cellulose. Next one, 8th question answer. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Why do we get instant energy from glucose? This one is the answer. Glucose is a simple sugar which is easily absorbed by the blood, whereas other carbohydrates are first broken down into glucose and then absorbed. Hence, glucose is give instant energy. Glucose is a simple sugar which is easily absorbed by the blood, whereas other carbohydrates are first broken down into glucose and then absorbed. So, glucose give instant energy. 9th question answer. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in? Which part? So, part का नाम हमको इधर लिखना है. We want to write the name of the part here. First one. Absorption of food. Which part is involved in the absorption of food? Small intestine. Small intestine is involved in the absorption of food. Next one, chewing of food. Mouth. Second one, chewing of food is done in mouth. Next, killing of bacteria. That is in stomach. Fourth one, complete digestion of food. Complete digestion of food is done in small intestine. Fifth one, formation of fecus. Formation of fecus is done in large intestine. Next one, question answer. 10th one, write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and in human beings. This is the similarity for human beings and amoeba, and this is the difference for human beings and amoeba. Similarity. Both amoeba and human beings follow the holosic type of nutrition. Both amoeba and human beings follow the holosic type of nutrition. Next one, difference. Human intake food through buccal cavity. In amoeba, food is ingested through pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means false feet. Pseudopodia means false feet. So this is the answer. Similarity in between amoeba and human beings are both amoeba and human beings follow the holozoic type of nutrition, and difference, human intake food through buccal cavity and in amoeba food is ingested through pseudopodia or false feet. Next question is a match the column. In column 1 there are some name of some parts of our body or our digestive system. Second one, column 2 have their function. So we want to match these two according to their function. First one, salivary gland. Second one, stomach. Third one, liver. Fourth one, rectum. Fifth one, small intestine. And fifth one, large intestine. In column 2, first one, bile juice secretion. Second, storage of undigested food. Third, saliva secretion. 4, acid release. 5, digestion is completed. 6, absorption of water. And 7, release of fecus. So we want to match this column together. First one, salivary gland. Salivary gland, saliva secretion. Salivary gland, saliva secretion. Next, stomach, acid release. Stomach, acid release. Next one, liver, bile juice secretion. Liver, bile juice secretion. Next one, rectum, storage of undigested food. Storage of undigested food. Next, small intestine, absorption of small intestine, digestion is completed. In small intestine, digestion is completed, and large intestine, absorption of water. Here does not have anything. Large intestine, absorption of water. So this is the answer for this match the column. So in today's class we are completed chapter 2 nutrition in animals. So don't skip the video, watch fully and write all these question answer of the exercise in your copy and study well. Thank you.